What's up, y'all? It's dinner time for me, and I'm about to make me some hot wings and french fries. So, I just wanted to show you how I make my hot wings. Yes, I am in my PJs with my bonnet on, but it's bedtime also. So, I'm getting ready for bed. I'm gonna put it like that. The light is still out, but y'all know it get dark late. It's almost about, 6:30, almost 7 o'clock here. So, I'm preparing for bed. So, anyway, let's get started. Just a little quick little video real quick to add to this one. I'm making a pizza for my husband, so I just want y'all to see what these pizzas turn out like. And so what I do is I bake it on top of the foil first. If you like your crust soft, then just leave it on the foil and lay it on the pan. But what I do is after I bake it and it cooks, it thaws all the way out, the cheese melt, I just lay it on the rack just like this and let it finish baking so the bottom of the crust gets soft. And as you can see, the pizza is perfect. These are those pizzas that I made, y'all. And it's perfect. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. Okay, this is the pizza after it is all done and everything. Alright, I'm done, y'all. Okay, so I have me a few little chicken drumettes here. And so what I'm doing is I'm going to season them first. And I've drained off as much water as I can. And so I have me some garlic powder. And I'm going to do this as I tell y'all what I got. So I'm going to season it with some garlic powder, onion powder, Tony's Creole seasoning. If you don't have that, you could just use salt and pepper. It tastes just as good. And sriracha. And what the sriracha does to give is a nice color, like a deep, dark color to it. I'm telling you, like, if y'all don't have no sriracha, try it. So, I'm going to add some of this sriracha. And give all this a good mix. Now, I'm going to be breading mine. I do it both ways. I do it with bread and without breading. But this time I want the bread on it because I want the little crumbs that fall off of it because I like eating it with my fries. So, I have some all-purpose flour because I don't want like a puffy breading on them. So I have some all-purpose flour, and that is seasoned as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix up these chicken wings. And then I'm going to take them and throw them in my flour and shake the bag up. So they're nice and coated now. Massage your meat good, y'all. So this is what I have. Now let me wash my hands. Hold on. Before I wash my hands, I'm going to take them and throw them in this bag. So, then I'm going to come back and wash. Then I'm going to wash my hands and come back. Okay, they're in the bag. Alright, y'all. So now we over here at the stove. I got my hands washed and everything. The chicken is in the bag. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this chicken and I'm going to shake it up and get it all coated. I have my cooking grease on, and it's on a medium. So I'm going to turn it up to almost high because I want that good fry once I drop these in there. So now that's all coated. So I'm going to take a little bit of this flour, this grease, flour, and drop it in the grease. See if the grease is ready. So if you can see in the pot, you'll see that the flour is frying. You might can hear it. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to take my wings. I'm just going to drop them in. So I'm going to tell you how long they fry. I got the timer. I don't time them, I'm just going to tell you how long they fry. I have 8 chicken wings. I'm going to try to get them all in here. But, you know, your heat, your grease cool down as you put the chicken and stuff in there. So what I do is I let it come back up to temp, and then I add more chicken. So it's still frying good, so I'm going to add some more. Don't touch your chicken. Let it just fry so the bread can stick to it before you start touching it. Because if you touch it as soon as you put them in there, then the flour is just going to start falling off of it. Okay, so while the chicken is frying, what we about to do is, what I'm about to do is mix up the hot wing sauce. So I just have a bowl, and I get a nice size bowl so when you throw them in there, you can shake them around or toss them around in that sauce. Preferably one with the lid. And I don't know what I did with my bowl with the lid. It might be in the freezer. But anyway, so we're just going to use what we got. I have some of this buffalo wing sauce from the Dollar Tree. And so I'm going to use some of this. Just pour some in there. Squeeze some, rather. And sriracha sauce. And I want that extra kick. You don't have to add the sriracha sauce if you don't want it. But I'm going to add sriracha sauce. You can stop at that buffalo sauce right there. So I'm going to add some sriracha. Just a little bit. I don't want to burn my butt off. And ketchup. Just add some ketchup. I don't have ketchup in a bottle. I have a whole bunch of packs. So I'm just going to squeeze this ketchup in there. So, yeah, I like the flavor that the ketchup gives it. It's just something about the ketchup. So, you're probably going to use about, if you're making a small amount like I'm making, probably going to use about a quarter cup, I'm going to say a quarter cup of wing sauce, maybe about 2 tablespoons of, a tablespoon of sriracha, or a tablespoon and a half, and about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And just mix that together. I have this for 8 chicken wings. Okay, so that's the sauce. Get a little taste. Perfect. So now, I'll be back when the chicken is ready. Okay, y'all, so this chicken has been frying for 12 minutes. And as you can see, how they're deep in color. This is the color that the sriracha gives them. And they're very, very crunchy. So they're going to hold up to the sauce. You want your chicken wings to be crunchy. So when you throw this, especially because you put flour on them, so you want them to be able to hold up to the sauce. You know, when you put the sauce on. Yeah. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so this is the wings. They are all crunchy. You hear that? They're crunchy. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take these wings and put it in a bowl of sauce. And just toss them around in that sauce. Give them a good toss. Y'all see how coated and delicious those look? And that was just enough sauce for those 8 wings. So now, we're going to get those plated up. I'm going to get these plated up. And look at those wings, y'all. Just look at those wings. And they still have a little crisp. Well, they're still crispy. Not a little crisp. They're still crispy. Okay. Look at that. Now, let me finish up my dish and I'll be right back. But y'all, look at that. Those delicious wings. Okay. So now we have these French fries done, you guys. And I'm just going to put those on there. And then to top that, I have a little cheese sauce. And it's hot. And so I'm just going to take that and put it right on here. Now I am done. This is my hot wings and cheese fries. I hope you guys like the recipe, and I hope you try it. Just try these hot wings, y'all. I'm telling you, theythebomb.com, and you will love them. So thank y'all for watching my video, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel. Until next time, y'all be blessed. Peace. This your girl Tiana, can only be me. I had to show y'all one more thing, and I'm gonna leave y'all alone for today. Look, okay, I just trimmed these onions down. Yes, I did change them out from that bowl that they were in, because it was kind of getting aggravating to me every time I pulled the water off of them every day. They just was falling all over and just wasn't standing up straight. So I wanted them to stand up straight. But I promise, look, I swear, saying like these onions grow like about an inch or two every single day. Like, they just growing so fast. And I just chopped them all the way down. And look at them now. They are growing like super, super fast. This right here is just a plant that I don't know what kind it is. I just rerooted them, and I'm gonna take them and put them in a pot. But they just, I'm gonna step back here. Like, these things is growing so fast, y'all. I'm not mad about it or nothing, but I'm just saying, like, it's just amazing to me. You know, the amount of money that you spend on just constantly buying these things, and they grow fast. You don't even have to keep buying them. And this is your green onions, or scallions, or whatever y'all want to call them, but I just call them green onions. But yeah, I just want to show y'all these green onions, how fast they're growing. And look at the look at all the new ones. What are you at? Hold on. Okay. Like, you can tell all the new ones that comes in, because they skinnier. They skinny. They don't be like that. So you see, they normally be fat like this. I had cut that one off. But look how, you see they get new ones in there. And the new ones just coming in everywhere. But yeah, I'm excited about it. I'm not mad or nothing. But hey, yeah, I just want to show y'all that.